10 tax deductions that every small business should know about. Hey friend, are you feeling overwhelmed by taxes? Is your taxpayer not giving you the inside scoop on what you should be deducting as a business owner? Or are you tired of paying more tax than is necessary? What if I told you that there are some hidden gems in your expenses that could save you thousands of dollars? Well, stick around because I'm going to share 10 tax deductions that every small business owner should know about. Now, taxes can feel like a burden, but did you know that there's tons of deductions out there just waiting to help you reduce your tax bill? From home office expenses to business travel, these deductions can add up fast. In fact, some of the most successful businesses in the world use every deduction they can to keep more money in their pockets. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Hi friend, my name is Eric Neum, and I'm here to make the most of your small business finances. Now, I've owned an accounting and tax firm for entrepreneurs for the last 13 years, and I've helped thousands of business owners just like you. Now, taxes do not need to be stressful if you know what to look for. So today, we're gonna dive into the top 10 tax deductions that every small business owner should be taking advantage of. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find these deductions and how to keep more of your hard-earned money. So let's jump right in with our top 10 deductions for small businesses. Deduction number 1, the home office deduction. Now, if you work from home, like I do, you can be eligible for the home office deduction. Now, this allows you to deduct a portion of your rent, mortgage interest, utilities, and even insurance. Now, the key is that your workspace must be used regularly and exclusively for business. Now, companies like Etsy have many sellers who use this deduction to help them lower their taxes. Now, as an example, if you use a spare bedroom in your home that's 150 square feet and your home is 1,500 square feet, then 10% of your housing expenses can be used as a home office tax deduction. Deduction 2, business mileage. Now, next up is business mileage. If you use your car for business purposes and not just commuting, you could deduct either the actual expense or use a standard mileage rate, which is 67 cents per mile in 2024. Now, you're gonna want to use an app like Mileage IQ to track your business miles. For example, let's say you're a real estate agent who drives a ton to show properties. Now, you could save a ton on taxes with this deduction on your mileage. As a tip, set your tax home as your home office. So that way, your business miles from your tax home can be tracked as a deduction. Deduction number 3, office supplies and equipment. Don't forget about office supplies and equipment. From pens to printers, these costs are completely deductible. Now, tech companies like Google, for example, started small, and they had to purchase equipment and reinvest in purchasing equipment while deducting expenses to allow them to grow as a company. Deduction 4, business meals. Did you know that business meals are deductible? Now, as long as the meal is with a client or for a specific business purpose, you could deduct 50% of that cost. The key is that you need to document the business use of the meal. Now, if you're just going out to eat on your own, that's not considered to be a deduction. However, if you travel away from your tax home, your meals, even solo, are tax deductible. Many consultants and sales professionals use this deduction to meet with clients to get a sale done while lowering their tax bill. Let's talk about travel expenses in number 5. Travel expenses, including airfare, hotel, and even dry cleaning while on the road, can be deducted if the trip is business related. Small business owners attending conferences or meeting clients can take full advantage of this deduction. Now, companies like Salesforce knows this well, often sends teams to conferences all over the world. One cool hack is to set up a business retreat per year that coincides with your family vacation. Now, as long as more than 80% of the days are used for business purposes, for planning, doing work, or whatever, you could deduct the flight there and back and expenses connected to it. Let's talk about insurance premiums as deduction number 6. Now, insurance premiums for your business, whether it's for liability, health, or property insurance, are tax deductible. This is especially helpful for small businesses that need to protect their assets. Now, if you have health insurance, there's a specific line on your 1040 to deduct self-employed health insurance. Deduction number 7, professional services. Now, fees paid to accountants, lawyers, and other professionals for business services are fully deductible. Whether it's legal advice or tax preparation, these expenses will help you get the right support, but also help you lower your taxable income. Using an accounting and tax service like us, is completely tax deductible. Deduction number 8, advertising and marketing. Every dollar you spend on advertising and marketing is totally deductible. Now, whether it's social media ads, website design, or promotional materials, these costs will help you reduce your taxable income. Startups like Dollar Shave Club, for example, they grew through clever marketing and they benefited greatly from taking these as a deduction. Here's a deduction a lot of small business owners don't use. Deduction number 9, retirement contributions. Setting up a retirement plan for yourself or maybe some employees. If you contribute to a SEP IRA, Simple IRA, or even 401k plans are deductible for you and your business. Now, even small businesses can save big on taxes while planning for the future, just like larger companies, like Vanguard, for example. Did you know that in a solo 401k, you could contribute up to $69,000 in 2024? It's a huge tax savings. Contributing to your own retirement plan gives you strong tax deductions up front and great tax deferrals as the money grows in the account. And last but not least, education and training is deduction number 10. Now, education and training expenses are deductible. This includes workshops, online courses, and even books related to your business. Now, investing in knowledge is crucial, and even tech giants like Microsoft invest heavily in the training, and they deduct all those expenses. So if you attend any kind of training that helps you improve your ability to run your business, let's say a Tony Robbins event or joining a business mastermind, you can deduct those expenses. And there you have it, 10 tax deductions every small business owner should know about. Now, if you're ready to maximize your savings, make sure you take advantage of all of these tax deductions. Hit that like button if you found this video to be helpful, subscribe for more tips on small business success, and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs that could use some tax relief. Is there a deduction that I might have missed? Drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Now, if you're concerned about the shifting landscape of small business taxes, click the link in my bio for a free report on the top 10 tax strategies that we implement with our wealthy clients. Remember, every dollar you save in taxes is a dollar you could reinvest in your business. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping more of what you've earned. Until next time, keep growing and thriving.